Hi my loves, welcome back. This is going to be a cooking video. I know, finally. So I will have everything down below what you guys will need. So this is a recipe that I saw on Instagram and I'm like, OMG, that sounds so delicious. So I'm more of a chicken eater. I like chicken, fish, but like red meat, I don't really eat a lot of it. So you will need chicken breast, marinara sauce, and alfredo sauce. So I had to go to the store today because I thought we had some. So yeah, I got that one. And then it said to use whatever is your favorite pasta. So I'm going to use rotini pasta. And then obviously all your seasonings. And this is a crock pot recipe. So if you guys have a busy day and you guys have to go run errands, you can leave this cooking either on high for 3 hours or on low for 6 hours. So the pasta, and also you will need mozzarella cheese and all your seasonings, but I will show you guys, okay? So if you guys are excited, I hope you guys are, because I'm excited to try this. So comment down below if you guys end up trying this out. Tag me please on anything that you guys recreate. I know I've gotten messages and comments where you guys say, oh, this recipe you did, I ended up trying it, I love it. And that means a lot to me. I mean, I'm not the greatest cooker. I do like baking, cooking, just cleaning the mess afterwards, not so much. But okay, I hope you guys subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. That helps tremendously, so YouTube can suggest my videos to more people and we can keep on growing. So let's begin, guys. Okay, so here is the chicken breast that I'm going to use. I think I might just use 2 because I don't want a lot of leftover, but this is the crock pot that I'm going to use. So let's wash the chicken breast. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. So basically you're going to turn this on. I'm going to do high because I want this to be ready as soon as possible. So you need to put your sauces, the marinara sauce, and your alfredo sauce. If I can open, okay. This is already so delicious. Okay, and then you'll use, I'm only going to use 1 of the Prego, the alfredo sauce. Hopefully you guys can see this. you're going to put your chicken breast. And then you're going to use the seasonings. Okay guys, so you're going to need onion powder. Black pepper. And then I believe, so I'm not sure, this is crushed red pepper, but there was one where it said chili, is it chili pepper? I'm not sure if it's the same, but I'm going to use this one. I think that's good. I feel like there's still a little bit more. And then, oh gosh, okay. So I added this, that. I added the so now you need garlic powder. And it said a tiny Italian seasoning, but I'll use the table, a little bit of the table blend. Just a tiny bit, okay? I want to mix this. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is how it should look with the chicken breast. So I'm going to leave it on for 3 hours. It's 1:15. So at like 3. Yeah, at like 3 we will check it. So we need to cover it. I'm going to use, I'm gonna put that and cover it. Okay, so leave this for 3 hours, guys. Time to cook the pasta. So I cooked it for about 15 minutes. I used about 2 cups of pasta. Let's check how it's doing. We still have like another hour. Okay, I want to check if it's soft, because we'll need to shred the chicken. It's still pretty hard. Yeah, okay. It's still pretty hard, so we will leave it on. I'll check it again in an hour, but this is how it's looking. Okay guys, it still feels a little bit hard, but I'm going to try and shred it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I shredded it as much as I can. Now we're going to add the pasta. So I did about 2 cups. And another thing you're going to add is mozzarella cheese. Let me get the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so I'm going to grab this natural cheese mozzarella. And then you're going to let this sit for, well, in the video, after the 3 hours, it says for another 15 minutes. But I'm still going to leave it like another 30 minutes. And then you'll add a little bit of parsley. Okay, so cover it. And we will check. So here it is, guys. So I left it for like another 30 minutes. And my mom is tasting it too. But let's see how it tastes. Oh, one. Oh, see, she says she likes it. So you guys can add as much cheese as you guys want. I didn't add too much, but it's good. So yeah, if you guys end up trying it, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.